Hey Ricardo, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm making this video for you. It's a custom video free for your business. Basically, I want to talk about a few things you can do to get more customers visiting your website every single month and beating out your competition. So the reason I do my marketing this way is because every marketer does the same exact cliche stuff. I'm doing this very specific, detailed, catered to your business, so you can see that it's going to affect your business when you take these tips and techniques I'm going to be showing you. It's only about to be a 5-minute video. The hope is basically you'll like what you see. Give me a call, we can talk, we can do a bigger game plan, ultimately getting you a lot more customers every single month. If not, no harm, no foul. These tips are for you. Use them as you like. So 3 things I'm going to be talking about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. First, I'll start off with the content. I'm on your website, the home page. Now I see that you had it made out. It's a pretty decent looking website. One thing I see can definitely use some formatting, and Google loves content. You want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your page. Now you obviously don't have anything close to that. So you definitely need a lot more content on your page, which is going to outrank, you basically rank this website way higher than your competition, though. Just by adding like 1,500 more words to your homepage with targeted keywords that you're trying to rank for, you're going to beat out the competition pretty fast. After that, I want to talk about citations. Citation is anywhere on the web where you can put in your business information, like your business name, address, and phone number. That'll be mostly directories like Yelp, Manta, Home Advisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages. So get your information on those websites, and as many as you can. You want to have your name and info on more than your competition has. Third thing I want to talk about will be backlinks. A backlink is any website out there which is pointing to your website, which in return is driving traffic to your website. So the more backlinks from legitimate websites you have, the more powerful and authoritative your website will be. Now, let me tell you, you have about 14,000 backlinks right now coming from 26 referring domains. Looks like you're targeting 15 keywords, but even with all that, you're not getting any traffic to your website. I'll explain this to you after I show you another company and what they're doing. Right here, this is a top New York City competitor. I'll just show you what their page looks like right here. Here we go. So as you can see, they only have 381 backlinks coming from 47 websites, referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people coming to their website every single month. You're probably asking that you have about 14,000, they only got 381. The big difference is not all backlinks are created equally. So let me go back to yours. So as you can see, you do have about 14,000 backlinks, but they're probably mostly all spammy and junk backlinks. So I don't know who got these for you, but they're not doing anything for you because you have zero traffic coming in. So you want to have industry relevant backlinks. That means you want to have it from electricians, contractors, plumbers, or other HVAC coming to your website. So you see these other guys have this much traffic coming to their website. That's where you want to be, and ultimately you want to have even more traffic than them. So traffic is always going to equal conversion into customers. That's the end goal. Lastly, I want to show you what a basic Google search will look like when somebody in New York City is looking for an electrician or a plumber or any contractor in general. So somebody types in electricians in New York. Basically, this is how it's going to show up. First, they'll see these ads on top, which are called Google Guaranteed ads. These are paid ads by businesses. After that, you'll see the traditional Google ads, which are also paid. Thirdly, we'll see this Google My Business, Google Map Pack. This is a great place to be on. And you get here by adding more citations that I talked to you about earlier. So the top 3 spots is where you want to be at. You're going to get tons and tons of leads when you're on the top 3 spots. After that, we go on to the organic section, this one right here. Companies make it out here by good SEO, that content I was telling you about earlier. So you see, this company is on the first page of Google. 95% of people who search anything, click on the first page. They're not going to the second or third page anymore. People stay on the first page, and whoever's on the first page, they get the lion's shares of the business. Basically, this is what I wanted to tell you. Lastly, I'll show you one more thing. I searched for your company. Your website is about 4 years old, and the last time it was touched or updated was more than a year ago. Now you want to make sure you're always updating your website, because Google always checks. They send out these bots called crawlers to get information on what a website is doing. So you want to keep updating your website, adding relevant content. With that, Ricardo, I really hope you found this information to be valuable. I really want to help you out, and if you like what you saw, do give me a call. I ultimately want to get your feedback as well, so I hope you get in touch. With that, you have a great day.